there's levels to this designing, yeah. For one, yeah, every bar's literally curving in the same direction, fam. You see that? Every bar's literally curving towards the same direction, yeah. And you got all these panels down here that are doing different shapes. Even the destination box, they've added character to that, fam. Even these bits, yeah. Even these walls, yeah, where the floor livery's upon as well. They're still shaping to them. Even with the battery loose sockets, they're shaped to that. Even around here, there's still some shape around here. Bro, you see how you see how the wall sweeps to the side of it for where the bus stopping sign is?
Thank you.
And then there's the smooth swoosh going around the cab area. And there's a smooth, the smooth glass for the flipping fire hydrant smoothly put into there. Look at that, they've curved the whole flipping walls here smoothly, fam. Along there. These Chinese automakers, fam, they know what they're doing, bruv. I'm telling you, fam. These Chinese people, bro, they're always bringing brains into the flipping designing, fam. That's why I'm rating all these Chinese manufacturers making their way into fucking the UK, bro, for these buses, bro. BYD and Yutoung, bro, they're the main bus manufacturers that I'm rooting for on this electric, takeover on buses. 'Cause they look like they know what they're fucking doing, bro.